What was your award amount? And I mean, if you want to share, what was your profit? What we talking about? What was you make? What's up? You got your pockets.
Oh, I like money, I like the hustle. So our biggest one is it just started in June or July. It's we get paid monthly, which is nice. It's a 1 year with option for a year.
Yeah.
Our profit for 5 years will be.
All right. Hey man, tell us about yourself. Tell us what you do. I mean, I know we've known each other for a little bit before this, but tell people about what you do now, and I don't know what you got going on.
God, I don't even know where to begin.
You hustle. You a hustler. That's
hustle. Yeah, always. God, I started hustling years ago. You've met me, our little travel club. From there, that was 10 plus years ago. Then I started becoming a freight broker, and I brokered for about 8 years. I worked at 2 or 3 different companies, bringing in millions of dollars in profit to some of these companies. And then in 2020, when COVID hit, I wanted to start my own. So I said, can I have a raise? They said no. I said, okay, bye-bye. I'm going to start my own. So I've had my own freight brokerage it's 4 years now. So that's what I've been doing.
Freight brokerage, really? Yeah. You have that for the last 4 years.
Yes.
And that means you're setting up loads, like you got drivers doing this and doing that, and you're just setting the whole deal up from home?
Yep. So I'm essentially the middleman. I find the customers and I had the carriers. My niche is bulk tankers, so I move ethanol, hazmat, food grade stuff. I mean, anything that can go in a tanker, that's what I do. That's my niche, because there's not a lot of people that are in that industry. So that's where I strive at.
Okay. Now tell us this then. So how did you find, I know you knew me, but how did you find government contracting? Like, what made you get interested in this? I know you are the middleman before, but what made you interested in this?
So when I used to prospect for, let's say the last job, I would look into trying to find government loads, because I had worked government loads before, but I could never figure out how to do it. I'd be on the website, I'd look for it, I'd talk to my boss about it, couldn't figure it out. You kept popping up. You kept popping up. You kept popping up. I'm like, what is he doing? And you only put little pieces out there before you even started training classes, anything. I'm like, I need to figure this out. So I had been watching him. I'm like, well, I know him. I trust him. I know he's legit. So I reached out to you, figure it out. Because the market and the economy right now for everything and anything is just, crap. So I said, I need a second option. I need a third option. I need more than one income. So.
Yeah, my question is, so what was your why that drive you? So you had things kind of kicking and going with the brokerage. What kind of drives you to like, okay, let me go do this? Like, why?
So the market, 2020, 2021 were real good. I was moving a lot of ethanol to make hand sanitizer. Real good. Then, market flipped, everything changed, everything's real cheap, everything's gone real, up in prices. So the customers they're buying the product and they're only making a smaller profit. So that means if I'm a broker, I'm a middleman, I got to find a carrier to do it for this price. So I'm only making, let's say $500 compared to $1,000. I could book one load a week and it'd be okay for the whole month for my bills. Now it's not like that for the last year and a half. So, things change, your whys change, and I will never, you've known me a long time, I will never go back to a job. I will never have a boss ever again. I think I've always gotten fired, except for my last job. So I have to be my own boss. I just have to do it. So I needed a second income, and I kept following you. I kept looking for other things, and nothing was flowing. And I'm like, West got it down. I'm gonna call him back. That's what I did.
Yeah, I think you called me or you texted me or something. I was like, we connected. I was like, hey, long time no see. What's up? And came to our challenge, our 5-day challenge.
Yeah, yep.
And then tell people what happened. I know you won your first contract pretty soon after that. Was that correct?
Yeah, when we do it in, what was it, January, February, we had it. We did that, and we put in, maybe, like you said, it was like 1 out of every 20 you'd win. We did about 20, and we started getting real frustrated, and we're sitting there, all of a sudden, ding, 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 we won 3.
What?
So 3, right.
Back. Boom, boom, boom.
Bring it on. So that So I've been jacked up ever since. Life's got the up and downs or whatnot. So I haven't been consistent with it through the months, but
Right.
I think I saw a video or TikTok, something of you talking about quarter four. I'm like, you know what? Next year I'm trying to be free. I'm about to be 40. I'm trying to be free next year. I'm trying to set up to where I ain't got to worry about nothing ever again.
Amen. And that's, you saw me talk about it. My big thing this year was to submit one per day. That was my big thing. You remember that, right?
I remember, yep.
We've done it. I last time at the count was like, we're way past the count. We got so many submitted. It's crazy.
I bet. I already know.
You already know. So
I already know. It's done.
It's done. But here's the thing. I tell people all the time, it's like, I may never do it again. Like next
it's a lot of work, right?
It's a lot of work. Like next year I might, I'm a chill, because you don't need a lot, right? You only need a couple. So like, I think we won like 7 in the last 2 months. And I'm like,
yeah,
it's like a lot of work. Like I was just at the start of the day. It's so much going on. So the beautiful thing is, you won those 3. You won 3 total.
3 totals for you.
3 total. So you won those 3, make some money. What was your I gotta ask, what was your award amount? And you want to share what was your profit? What we talking about? What was you make? What's up? You got your pockets.
I like money, I like the hustle. So our biggest one is it just started in June or July. It's we get paid monthly, which is nice. It's a 1 year with option for a year.
Yeah.
Our profit for 5 years will be...
Hey, what's up? It's Dr. West here. I hope you are enjoying the content that we got coming at you. Give me 2 seconds. My students have been awarded over $60+ million in government contracts. Y'all, I've only been coaching about 1.5 years. So listen, if you want to get part of the program, you want to be part of the program, you want to join and find out what we got going on, here's what I got for you. Go to www.thecontractingblueprint.com. We are now opening up spots for phone calls. So what we do is we have a free 45-minute hour phone call with myself and my team members. Now I can't be on every call, so I do have team members that take some of the calls as well, but book a free phone call. We'll answer your questions on government contracting, the middleman style, and we will tell you about our program and our coaching platform, and you can make a decision if you're a good fit to work with us, if we're a good fit to work with you. I look forward to speaking with you guys on the phone, and my team looks forward to speaking with you guys as well, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.
Our profit for 5 years will be about $250,000.
Woo!
Yeah. Thank you.
Let's go.
Jacked.
Let's go.
The other one I think is about 10,000.
Mm-hmm.
It's only a couple times a year or whatnot. Same thing, 1 year, option 4, whatever. It's still money.
It's still
I ain't
money.
got nothing but bill.
It's still money. I'm gonna say the beautiful thing is those 3 are what states? What state they in?
Iowa and California.
Iowa and California.
Ohio.
And you in Ohio. We in Ohio. Like,
yeah.
Did you go to California? Did you go to Iowa?
Sure didn't.
You ain't do any of it, right? But you get to invoice the government every time it's time to invoice, and you get paid that money. That's all that matters. I tell people all the time, even if there's a $2,000 profit win, it's $2,000 that you made from your house.
Right. Sitting here. Right.
Laptop.
Yep.
Goodness. Oh my goodness.
Amen to that. Yep. It's a big relief, off our shoulders, because no matter what, you get paid. It's the government. You're getting paid. Mm-hmm. So you asked me about my wife. Last year I had a customer screw me. So no matter what happens, if my customers pay me or don't pay me, I have to pay my carriers no matter what. Mm-hmm. So I had a customer, I lost $45,000.
Wow.
So I had to pay my carriers. I pulled it all out of my savings. I had to pay all my carriers so that they didn't go after my bond, so I didn't lose everything, or I would have lost it all. And that's when it really hit me to start looking. That's my why. Like, I got to have a backup, because if that happens again, it's not going to happen again. But if it would happen again, I got something to back it up. So that was a huge why for me. So
that's who back in our day, why stand for what hurts you, right? Remember it?
Oh yeah.
What hurts you.
Oh yeah, way bigger than my dad, my mom. You already know all that, so it's huge. And then he's not over there. Jess, he my fiance, he had cancer. Got diagnosed with esophageal cancer 2 years ago. Almost 3 years ago. He had chemo, radiation, surgery, but he's still here. Thank God. Immunotherapy every month. Just had a couple days ago, so he's another big why of I got to be able to take care of him and be able to work from home, and you can't go to a job if
Exactly.
If you got to take care of him, they'd fire you in a heartbeat. So
100%. You got to call off, and next thing you know,
Call
you
off,
got a job. Right. But you got government contracting, you got 5-year, type of contracts.
yeah,
Now all you got to do is just pick it back up.
right. Yeah, exactly. I need a couple. I keep seeing a couple of your folks getting millions. I'm gonna need like a 2.5 million, 2.5, trying to pay off some things, that car, try to set up for the rest of my life by the time I'm 40. That's by February. So we gotta get things moved quick.
Hey, get to it. I mean,
Right.
we got some of those winners in here. We got some people who did 1.5 million the first contract. So yeah, it's
right.
It's
Was that your brother? Brother?
Yeah.
I saw that in Maldives. Matter of fact, I need you to send me the information from Maldives because I've been wanting to go. So just send that over.
I'll send it over. I seen the resort and everything. It was beautiful.
Oh, I know. I already know. That's been my dream. Maldives. Let's go.
Awesome. All right. One more question, a few more questions. What tips would you give to someone listening to this on like how to have success and win 3 contracts, $250K, profit for 5 years? What tips would you give?
You just don't give up. I mean, you got to keep pushing. I mean, I know it's frustrating, and it's, like Wes says, it's 1 out of 20. Sometimes you get lucky, you get 3. It just depends what it is. You just got to keep putting the time in, putting the work in, and it will come, whether it's 20, 30, 40, 60. I've done this multiple times in different businesses. It just takes time. But once you get that one, you get that. I got goosebumps just talking about it. You get that thrill and that urge to want more and to do more. And once you do that, then it's game on. So don't give up. Don't ever give up, because it's worth it.
Amen.
Yep. Amen.
That's helpful. All right, Ms. Williams. Well, hey, thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thanks for having me.
Do you want to know how to make 6 and 7 figures a year in government contracting? Do you want to know how to actually do the middleman strategy and work with me and my team of coaches? If you do, all you got to do is book a phone call with us. You can book a phone call at www.thecontractingblueprint.com. It should be on the screen somewhere, maybe above me. www.thecontractingblueprint.com is also linked below. So what we'll do is we'll do a free 45-minute to hour phone call. I take some of the phone calls as I can. My team members take the phone calls. And what we'll do is we'll make sure you understand the middleman strategy, and it will tell you about our services. If we're a good fit for you, if you're a good fit for us, we hope so. If we are, then we'll help you guys win your first contract as well. So if you're interested, book a free phone call at the link above or below, and I'll see you guys there. All right, peace.